I have a lx255 riding mower JD. We cannot get the blades to engage. We replace the PTO switch and the PTO clutch. Any ideas why the blades still won't engage?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer.
Okay, we replace the PTO clutch and the PTO switch on a lx255 John Deere riding mower, and the blades still won't engage. Any ideas?
The RIO switch, reverse switch that stops blades when you back up, may be stuck in the open position. If it is, you get no PTO clutch.
The RIO switch is made into the PTO switch. It's a new switch. Is it a safety switch problem?
Number 13 in the diagram is the RIO switch. It is a separate switch. See wiring diagram. http://jdpc.der.com/pimages mp25mp25122_un22may01.gif.
This lawn mower doesn't have that switch. You pull up on the PTO switch to cut in reverse.
Wiring diagram is the Deere parts list. If there is no RIO switch, then you have a bad harness between the PTO switch and the blades. Do you have battery voltage to the PTO switch? Does it send power to the switch in the harness?
It is a 2000-year John Deere lx255 if that helps. I don't really know about the power. Do you crank the mower and test it with DC meter?
You don't have to run engine, just turn on key, and turn on PTO switch, and test with DC meter.
Okay, can I bypass wire harness from the clutch to the switch? We have a John Deere lx255. We replace the PTO clutch and the PTO switch, and the blades still don't want to engage. Any idea what could be wrong?
You can run new wires to the clutch from switch, or install a separate switch. Just need power to the switch, and power and ground to clutch.
Okay, thanks for all your help. I'll ask again if that don't work.
Locate He2 wires at the PTO switch, going to the clutch, and test them for continuity to the clutch.
Okay, is it supposed to read 0.49 at the clutch when the switch is pulled?
Should read 12 volts.
It's showing 22.0 V. What does that mean?
Is meter on DC volts? Swap the meter leads and see what reading is.
Yeah, it's on DC. I switched leads, not getting a reading at clutch with switch pulled.
Is there voltage at the switch end of the wires? So wires are damaged between switch and clutch.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.